In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with ClearBank online in 2025. Now, just a heads up, ClearBank's website no longer features a straightforward book appointment button or a scheduling widget for general customers. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround via email, and I'll guide you through the whole process. First, start by navigating to ClearBank's official website. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page and click on the About section. This will lead you to a new page where you'll find various options about ClearBank's services and history. Once you're done exploring there, your next step is to click on Contact Us. This is where you can find more specific avenues to communicate with the bank. On the Contact Us page, scroll down leisurely, observing what's available. As you continue, you'll come across multiple email addresses tailored to different inquiries. Take your time to identify which email aligns best with your needs, whether it's about accounts, payments, or corporate services. If you're dealing with a specific issue or have a unique inquiry, it's essential to reach the correct department for the most efficient response. If your reason for contacting includes any complaints, there's a dedicated section just for that. Continue scrolling until you find the Complaint Information link and give it a click. This section provides clarity on the formal complaint process and the necessary contact information. For matters related to fraud or security concerns, there's a dedicated subsection. Once again, on the same page, scroll down until you reach anything related to fraud and security. Click through the Fraud Information section. This page will detail the appropriate reporting process and offer two specific email addresses, one for customers in the UK and another for those in other parts of Europe. A crucial tip here is to ensure you're contacting the right address depending on your geographical location for smoother assistance. If privacy or data protection is your matter of concern, head back to the main Contact Us page. You'll notice an option for submitting a data subject access request. Click on that link and you'll be led to a detailed form where you'll need to fill in the necessary details, providing as much specificity as possible before clicking submit. To wrap things up, remember, while there may be no direct online scheduling tool, using the email addresses provided on the ClearBank site can be effective. Simply email them with your appointment request stating the topic. Whether it's about account services, payments, or corporate issues, clear communication will enhance your chances of securing an appointment with them efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate the ClearBank appointment process effortlessly.